Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Android, especially that won't uninstall with NEC. Here's what we will cover: how to uninstall apps, what to do if the uninstall option is not available, how to disable apps that cannot be removed. Let us get started. Long press the app icon on your home screen or app drawer, then tap App Info. On the App Info page, tap Uninstall to remove the app from your phone. If the uninstall button is not available, it means the app is a system or pre-installed app. In this case, tap Force Stop instead to stop the app from running and hide it from your device. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, some apps on Android are system or pre-installed apps and cannot be fully uninstalled. In these cases, you can only disable the app. Options may vary depending on your Android version. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.